Hello viewers, how are you everyone? Alhamdulillah, I am fine. Hope you are all fine. Thank you. When we go through the teacher's guide for class 1, electric book class 1, we find that two set of words, that is the name of the word, letter, and the sound of the letter. But what is it? What is this? We know about the name of the letter and the sound of letters today. Here we see a symbol. A symbol, it's called A. It's called A. The name of the letter A, A is A, and the sound of the letter we find in various words. That is apple, 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 A's, and R's, R's. So in three words, we find the name of the letter A, three different sounds. And next, the B. B sounds, B, the name of the letter B for this symbol is B. We found the sound of the letter in a word bat and ball. Bat and ball. The symbol, this is the symbol for C. The name of the letter is C, and we find the three different sounds for the letter. That is cat, cat, chair, and certain. And most of the times, the name of the letters and the sound of the letter different from each other. But sometimes it may be same or different. Such as X. The name of the letter X is X, X, and when we utter Xmas, then we find that the name of the letter and sound of the letter is same. And sometimes we call the Xmas is Christmas. It is also right Christmas, and we can also say Xmas. So we find that today the name of the letters and the sound of the letters are different. Most of the time are different, and we care about it and try to utter the or pronounce the letter, the right name of the letter. And we find that we write in the board on the board that before a slash and after a slash, that is EI. When this symbol is called phonetic alphabet, phonetic symbol provided by IPA, that is International Phonetic Association. Thank you all. I hope that you understand the class well.